Hi guys, today we are on pages 19 and 20, and we are just going to use our slope-intercept form equation and just compare different kinds of relationships. So in slope-intercept form, we have y equals mx plus b, okay, where m is your slope or your rate of change, and then b is your y-intercept or your starting value. Okay. So basically, we're just going to have different situations and it's going to ask different questions. Okay. So use what you know about slope and rate of change to compare these relationships in the following examples. Okay, so two runners are competing in a race. Runner one has a table. 2 miles, he is at 18.5 minutes, 4 miles, 37, 6 miles, 55 point blah, blah, blah. Okay, runner two, we have an equation. Y equals 9.5x. So the number of miles is equal to 9.5 number of miles. Okay, so which runner is traveling at a greater speed? Explain your reasoning. Okay, so speed would be a rate of change. So I'm asking which one has a greater, basically, slope. Okay, so let's find the slope of the table. Okay, so we need to find the change in the minutes. So we're going to find the difference of 37 and 18.5, which is 18.5. Cool. So I'm going to put runner one. So the change in the y's is 18.5 minutes. Okay. And then the change in the x's is 2 miles. Okay. So 18.5 divided by 2, we're going to simplify that to be 9.25. Okay. Runner 2, okay, he goes 9.5. Okay. And if we think about this, runner 1 takes him 9.25 minutes to go 1 mile. Runner 2, it takes him 9.5 minutes to go 1 mile. So the runner that goes at a faster speed would be the one that is lower because he can complete that mile in a shorter amount of time. So runner 1 goes at a faster speed. Okay. The Smith and Johnson family are both driving to family vacations for winter break. Smith family, we have y equals 58x, so the number of miles equals 58 per hour. Okay, and then the Johnson family is represented by a graph. Which family is traveling at a greater speed? So their speed is the rate of change. So which one has a greater slope? Okay, so first I'll do the Smith family. Smith family is pretty easy. We have 58, okay, or 58 over 1. Okay, our change in our y's is miles. Okay, number of hours. So the Smith family goes 58 miles for every 1 hour. Okay, then we have the Johnson family. Okay, so we need to find the rate of change or the slope. So we need to find 2 good points. Okay, so I'm going to pick these 2. Okay, and it looks like it goes up 100 and over 2. So it goes up 100 miles. Again, I'm just looking at the change in the y's, the rise miles, over 2 hours. Okay, I simplified, that would be 50 miles for 1 hour. Okay. So the question is, who is going at a faster speed? Well, that would be the Smith family because their number is higher for every 1 hour. All right, Bennett and Jarrett are both saving money to buy new dirt bikes. We have Bennett's account as a table, and we have Jarrett's account as a graph. Who is saving money at a greater rate? Okay, so we need to find the slope of Bennett. Okay, so we need to find the change in the money. Okay, so 163 minus 115, which is $48. So $48 is the change in the y, over 0 to 1, which is 1, every 1 week. So every 1 week, Bennett is putting $48 in his savings account. Then we have Jarrett, and we have a table with Jarrett. So we need to find 2 good points. Okay, that's a good point. So it looks like it's going up 50 over 1. So it needs to go up $50 every 1 week. Okay. So who's saving money at a greater rate? It looks like it is Jarrett, because he has more money. He's putting more money in his bank account every single week. Okay. The last problem is Lauren and Sean are skydiving. So we have Lauren's elevation, y equals 13,000 minus 172x. So her elevation, okay, is dependent on starting at 13,000 as her elevation or starting elevation, and it goes down basically 172 feet every single second. Then we have the table for Sean. So he looks like he starts a little bit lower, 12,500. And again, it's going down. And so we need to figure out who's descending faster or at a greater rate. Okay, so first we'll do Lauren. Okay, her slope, her greater rate is a negative 172 over 1. Okay, again, slope is your y's, rise. So it's feet over second. So she's going down 172 feet every single second. Then we have Sean. Okay, Sean starts at 12,500. Okay, and it goes down. So we need to figure out how much it goes down. So we're going to subtract. So it goes down 350. So down 350, and I'm going to put feet, okay, as the number of seconds are going up by 2. So I'm going to simplify 350 over 2, and I get negative 175 feet every 1 second. Okay. So when I think about who is descending at a faster rate, okay, that's the same amount of time, but Sean is going down further. Sean is descending at a faster rate. Okay, so tomorrow we will kind of explore this and make sure we feel comfortable with this. See you guys tomorrow.